Battle on for Lok Sabha polls. Battleground Maharashtra all set. BJP-led NDA versus Mahavikas Aghadi alliance. Political landscape undergoes significant shift. Will the split in Shiv Sena NCP change the game? How different is this year compared to 2019? Will BJP emerge as a key player again? What does Maharashtra's political landscape look like? Weeks ahead of the much-awaited Lok Sabha polls, the political landscape in Maharashtra is undergoing significant shifts, particularly with splits in key parties like Shiv Sena and NCP. The splits have made Maharashtra's politics fragmented and poll outcome difficult to predict. The battle for the state's 48 Lok Sabha seats will see new dynamics within political parties. Lok Sabha polls in the state of Maharashtra will be held in 5 phases and the counting of votes will be held on 4th of June. The ruling NDA, comprising of BJP, Ajit Pawar-led NCP and Eknath Shinde-led Shiv Sena, will take on the state-level opposition Mahavikas Aghadi, which includes the Congress, Sharad Pawar's NCP and Uddhav Thackeray-led Shiv Sena. The NDA has reportedly finalized their seat sharing in Maharashtra. BJP will fight on 31 seats, while Eknath Shinde's Shiv Sena will contest on 13 seats and Ajit Pawar-led NCP will contest on 4 seats. Talking of the 2019 polls, the BJP contested in alliance with Shiv Sena in Maharashtra and won 41 out of the state's 48 seats. The BJP emerged as a top party with 23 seats, followed by the undivided Sena with 18. The undivided NCP had emerged victorious on 4 seats and the Congress could manage to win only 1 seat. Meanwhile, AIMIM party and an independent accounted for remaining 2 seats. However, things turned sour as the Shiv Sena ditched BJP to enter an alliance with the Congress and NCP in the state. The Sena has splintered, with a vast majority of the Bal Thackeray-founded party now aligned with the BJP. This rupture within the party has injected an element of uncertainty into Maharashtra's political landscape. Not just Shiv Sena, but the Nationalist Congress Party also experienced internal divisions, with Ajit Pawar joining the ruling alliance led by Eknath Shinde. These splits have added complexities to the electoral scenario, shifting the focus to candidates and party ideologies amidst fresh realignments. Coastal Maharashtra, including Mumbai, presents a unique electoral landscape characterized by urbanization and developmental challenges. The BJP-Sena alliance previously secured 12 out of 13 seats in this region. However, with Sena's split, there may be a redistribution of votes. While the Uddhav Thackeray Sena could attract some sympathy after the split, potentially influencing the electoral outcomes. Western Maharashtra, known for its industrial and agricultural sector, is witnessing a re-evaluation of political dynamics following party splits. Unequal water distribution has long been a contentious issue in the region, exacerbated by internal divisions within the NCP and Sena. In 2019 polls, the BJP won 5 seats, while the Sena and NCP secured 3 each, reflecting the region's political diversity and significance. North Maharashtra, a key agricultural region, grapples with issues related to export-import policies and inadequate rainfall, impacting farmer livelihoods. The region has a significant population of tribals and backward segment. In 2019, the BJP won 4 Lok Sabha seats in the Marathwada region. BJP's ally Shiv Sena also managed to win 3 seats in the region. Meanwhile, Aurangabad seat was won by Asaduddin Owaisi-led AIMIM. Maratha Kota activist Manoj Jarange hails from Marathwada. Maharashtra has witnessed several protests organized by the Maratha Kota activist in the past month. The battle is also on for the 11 Lok Sabha seats in Vidarbha. Several MPs from the area have retained their seats, which means they may face anti-incumbency in the 2024 Lok Sabha polls. During the 2019 polls, BJP won 5 seats and Shiv Sena won 3 seats. Congress and an independent emerged victorious on 1 each. The upcoming Lok Sabha elections hold immense significance as they will determine the state's political trajectory for the foreseeable future.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to Mirror Now.